Hi everybody, this is just a short additional lecture for Mechanics of Materials Review for Midterm Exam. So if you look at your material, you'll see that we have a lecture number 21, which is the review for the midterm exam, and this is just a couple of minutes long to add to that material. So basically, there are several times when you're going to be able to take your midterm exam, and I've kind of covered those in class, but the first time will be Wednesday, October 9th at 11 a.m. And then there are a couple of slots on Thursday, 2 to 4, 7 to 9 at night, which you'll have to make an arrangement with me for if to take it then, and also whether you're going to take it with Zoom or face-to-face. And then on Friday, we have one at 11 and another one at 5. So if there are times other than this that you need to take your exam, please call me and we'll schedule that time. But I'd really love to have everybody take their final at that time, at one of those times, if at all possible. The next thing is on the main lecture for the review, lecture number 21, I gave you a list of the things that you can bring into the exam with you, and I mentioned that you would have 4 review problems. So there's a review problem on this sheet from each chapter, and if you do these 4 problems, you will be well prepared for the midterm exam. Make sure that you know that you can bring in a study sheet, and on that study sheet it has to be a regular size sheet of paper, like a piece of engineering comp paper or regular line notebook paper, but you can write on it in your own handwriting with anything that you like. You can write as small as you like, and you can write on both sides, but it has to be in your handwriting. You'll turn it in with the exam, and then I'll give it back to you so that you can use it to study for the final, or for just your own purposes, your own reference. The time limit on the final will be 2 hours, and I'm pretty strict with that because I need to be fair to all of your classmates, so everybody gets the same shake, and some people may not have longer than 2 hours, so that's the reason for the time limit. Bring in your calculator, but you cannot use an internet capable calculator or your phone in any way. So make sure that the calculator you have is not able to access the internet. So aside from that, if you want to Zoom with me instead of having a face-to-face meeting, if you're at a distance or if you have something else that will prevent you from being in the classroom with me face-to-face, please send me an email and let me know, and we'll set an appointment. Then I'll send you a link so that we can have a Zoom session. And that's it. So as usual, if you have any questions or problems, please get a hold of me, and you can email me, you can call me or text me. You can also come by my office or come to class and ask any questions. But the first group of you will be coming in tomorrow, Wednesday, October 9th at 11. And don't hesitate to ask any questions that you have up until then, and good luck on your midterm. See you later this week.